that you want to call me teacher, correct? Okay, so that's fine. You can just call me Miss T or Teacher T. That's fine. That's totally fine. I don't have a problem with that. Stop. Okay, so like I was telling you, today is December the 5th, 2020, and you'll learn about your months of the year on another day. We're not going to do that today. We have gone over there before, but we're not going to do that today. Today, what we're going to go over is the alphabet and numbers, okay? All right, so we were just... Mario. Just sit up. Just sit up straight. That's all you have to do. Just sit up straight. We're almost done, okay? All right, so what we were doing, we were singing the alphabet song, correct? And then I had you to repeat the alphabet after me, and then I showed you the alphabet on this book. Okay, we're gonna do that again. So I'm gonna sing the song first, and then I'm gonna invite you to sing the song with me, okay? Anna, please stop. Okay, so I'm gonna sing. It's okay. First, I'm gonna sing the alphabet song, and then I'm gonna invite you to sing it with me, okay? It's okay if you don't sing it exactly correct. It's fine. We're gonna work on it. This is just our first day starting over completely. You might as well say we're starting completely over, and it's totally fine, okay? All right, so look at me. All right, so A, B, C, D. First, I'm gonna sing it, and then I'm gonna invite you to sing it with me, okay? All right. And also at school, we have rules, and we're going to learn about rules. We're going to learn about following directions and everything, okay? So, first, I'm going to sing the alphabet song, and then I'm going to invite you to sing it with me, okay?
But she wants to sing it too.
It's okay. She's just a baby, but I'm going to continue to correct her, okay? Anna, pay attention and listen, because because Teacher T is going to sing the alphabet, and then I'm going to invite you all to sing it with me, okay? All right, so first, here I go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my alphabet. Next time, won't you sing with me? I want you to sing with me. So let's sing the alphabet together. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. A, B. You can sing with me now. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the alphabet, and I want you to sit up. I'm going to say that we don't do this every day, and we're not going to do this for a long time every day. I might do this for 30 minutes to an hour each day, okay? So just sit up and pay attention. I'll try to get you a table and a chair so we can get in a better setting, okay? I'm pretty sure it's probably hard to sit in the bed and pay attention, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the alphabet, and I want you to repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Did you just roll your eyes at me? You did. Yes, you did. Please don't do that.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, so.
I was gonna look at letters sleeping.
Okay, so you're sleepy. Okay, well, I'll prepare your lunch, and then I will prepare you all to take a nap. All right, so now what we're going to do is say the alphabet. Repeat after me. I'm going to say them. I see it. I'm going to say them one time, and then the next time we're going to say them, and I'm going to show you on this book, okay? Okay, so A, B, C, D, E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J.
K, and J,
Good job. K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U.
U,
Good job. V,
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 V.
V,
Not B, not B, V,
V,
V. Good job. W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
Good job. All right, now we're gonna say them, and I'm gonna show you what the letter look like that you're saying. Okay. All right, we're almost done. Okay, we're almost
Okay.
done. Okay, so A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D.
D,
Good job. E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J.
J,
Good job. K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P.
P,
Good job. Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
V, W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
Good job. So, I know I said that we were done, but I think it's a cool idea if I show you these pictures. They have pictures that go with the letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you your sounds right now. It's a good opportunity. This is something we've never done, and I can use this as an opportunity to teach you this. And actually, I think this is going to be the last thing that we do today, and we can do numbers tomorrow, okay? All right. So A, and this is an apple.
Apple.
And the sound that A makes is a, apple.
Apple.
Good job. Give me 5. Cool. All right. This is B, and these are blocks.
Blocks.
And the sound that B makes is b.
Blocks.
Good job. Blocks. Once you learn your sounds, you'll know how to read. Good job. So this is a C,
C.
and this is a car.
Car.
And the sound that makes is k.
Vroom. Vroom.
No, you're talking about vroom, as in the sound that the car makes. I'm talking about k. That's the sound that C makes. C makes k. Car. Good job. So this is a D, and this is a drum.
Drum.
And yes, and the sound that the D makes is d, and that's how you say drum. Yes. Okay. This is a E, and this is the earth. So E says earth. We'll practice more on this. It's fine. This is a F. And F says football. Good job. Yes.
Ice cream.
And this is a G.
G.
And this is glue.
I know glue.
Good job. And the G says g. And it's saying glue.
Yeah.
Glue. Good job. This is a
Ice cream.
This is a H. And this is a helicopter.
Helicopter.
And the sound that the H makes is h. Yes. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Good job. And this is a I for ice cream. And
Ice cream.
yes. And the I says I want to say like I ice cream.
It called
And then this is a J.
J.
And this is a jar. And
Jar.
the J says kind of like a G. Jar.
Jar.
Good job.
You got jelly in it.
Mm-hmm. Jelly starts with the J too. That's good. Good job. And then this is a K.
K.
And this is a kitten.
Kitten.
And the K says k. And it kind of sounds like a C. Yes. So it's kitten. And then this is a L.
L.
And this is a lemon.
Lemon.
And the L says L. Yes. And this is a M.
M.
For monkey.
Monkey.
And the M says mm-hmm. That's a monkey sound, but the M says monkey. Monkey. Good job. This is a N. And this is a nest.
Nest.
And the N says nest. Good job.
You got 0 and nothing.
Mm-hmm. This does look like a 0, but this right here is a O. This is the letter O. And this is a orange.
Orange.
But good job, because a O and a 0 looks just alike. Good job. So this is an orange.
Orange.
The O says ah. Like like orange. Good job.
Orange.
This is a P.
P.
And this is a pail.
Pail.
A pail and a bucket are kind of the same thing. Anna, can you stop, please? And the pail, P says P. Good job. This is a Q. Remember you drew your A earlier and I told you that it kind of looked like a Q?
Yes.
Yes. This is a Q. And this is a quarter. This is money. We're going to work on money soon. Q. Quarter.
Corner.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Good job. This
Then
is
little shoes. That's just like baby shoes.
This is R, and this is for rose.
Rose.
That's the R sound. Rose. And these are shoes, and this is the letter S, and the S says like a snake. Yes. So shoes. Good job. This is a T, and your mommy's name starts with the T, and this is a train. The T says train. Good job. And this is an umbrella. This is an umbrella, and the umbrella says umbrella. Good job. And this is a V, and you getting it mixed up with B, but it's okay. But it's a V, and this V is a violin, and it's saying the, not b. It's a difference. B is using your lips like b. B is b. Violin. Violin. Yes. And B says b, but it's okay. We'll practice on it. W is a wagon. W says wagon. And the X is very, very tricky. Most of the time it's silent. And this X is like X xylophone. It's xylophone, yes. And this is a Y for yarn. And it's yeah. Good job. And then this is a Z. And that is a zebra. And the Z says Z. Okay, good job. We are done learning for today. Good job. I'm so proud of you.
I'm going to give you a big one.
Good job. Boom. Okay. Good job, and we can work on numbers. We're gonna work on numbers tomorrow because we've been doing school for a long time.
Yeah.
All right. Put that down.
We're still not learning.
We're not doing that right now. That's all you care about. I need you to be caring that much about learning.